Let her rip, potato chip. And we're gonna open up some packs here. We have here at the Corning Comic and Collectibles. He has singles that he likes to sell. So we're gonna open up some of his singles that he has just sitting around and see if we can pull something crunchy and delicious. I gotta remember, is it?
I think that made sense.
Makes sense to me.
I mean, if you're chewing on those cards,
Crunch.
crunch.
I think they'd be more chewy. Soft. Don't look at it wet and
Soggy
chewy.
potato chip.
Yeah. Grass. Water. Psychic. Fire. Water. Psychic. Fighting. Food card. Grass energy.
Sad day.
It is. Water. Psychic. Ah! Woohoo! First hit. Caterpie.
I'll go get the cases of it.
Fire. I did not guess that one. So I have
Nice try.
three guesses. You know, couldn't guess anything last night or the night before, really. I know, right? What? I remember. Turn 'em on. Oh, look at that. Look at that code card.
Wow. At least
looks
it's only
delicious.
the postcard.
Oh,
I know, right?
uncut code card? Or,
No, no,
I was
just
gonna
three.
try and sell it on eBay for like a stupid amount of money.
$40 million for this code card.
Miscut, I thought it was. Miscut code card, 40 kids.
Water. Ooh.
Huh.
Psychic. Psychic. Fire. Grass. Watermelon. Nope. There you go. Trainer. Ah. Water energy. Ooh, dark again. Fire. Yay. Psychic. And we'll go with normal. Ah, psychic. That is pretty cool. I meant 5 guesses. Almost.
Would be more than me. I don't even know half the names. So I
Oh,
feel
that's
like
right.
I know there's water, grass, energy, yeah. Water, psychic. Is there any more?
Fighting.
Fighting.
Normal.
I'm figuring it out.
Oh, there is
Steel.
no normal for
Oh no.
energy guesses, no. Because normal
Oh,
can
I
be
see.
any color. Just colorless. Water.
Ooh.
Fire. Psychic. Jeez. Dark. Dark. Hey!
Oh,
That was only
I
one
don't
off.
know. What is that?
Yep.
We might have
Grass. Food card. Horizon Tin 6 next. Water. Grass energy. Fire. Water. Psychic. Oh, there we go. We're up to more guesses than normal. This is what happens when I don't have to take turns with you here.
Obliterate.
I just obliterate the guesses. Obliteration.
I'm not guessing when it gets to me.
You're not guessing, you're just gonna...
I can't remember half the things.
You just go water. Ooh, that was a trainer. First trainer.
Yeah, no, that's all.
Fire. Psychic. Psychic. Fighting. Woohoo! Grass. Psychic. Trainer. Just kidding. That's a code card. Water energy. I'm not getting any of these water energies. Fire. Grass. And dark. 2 left for me. And all we gotta do is, so far we got only the Caterpie. See, can we do better?
Funny thing is, I call it Caterpie.
A Caterpie.
Until I heard it.
Well, it could be I mean, it's a cat or a pie. That makes sense.
I might be right.
You are for those who don't know Pokemon. You're correct. Water. If I asked my dad before he got into Pokemon Go, he probably would have called it the same thing. Fire. Grass. Psychic. Grass? Ah, changed. H62. Water. Dude. Psychic. Water energy. Fire. Woo! Grass. Woo! Psychic. Alright, one last one. And I had a lot of correct guesses on these. It's a crazy amount. I like how every one of these were bent. And
Yeah, that is messed up. I didn't even notice that. But is it the cards aren't though? Are
no, the cards are fine.
Yeah,
For some
yeah.
reason these code cards are just
they,
watered.
They all came out of the same.
They're
UCC.
scissored. Scythered. Grass.
That's like
Fire. What's that one?
that
Psychic. What was that one?
Harass.
Electric. Fire. Water. That one's easy.
You put that in the wrong pile.
No, I
Called it
did.
right.
Oh, I did call it right, didn't I?
You silly.
H6A. I was just trying to get to the code card that I couldn't guess or couldn't say properly. Electric energy. Ooh.
Any swirls?
Yep, of course.
Cool.
Got a couple. Well, at least one.
Cool.
Yeah, I was
Put
gonna
in
say
the thing.
Put in a ding. Water. Fire. Grass. Woo! All right. I got.
Rocky, dude.
Yeah, you are. Because I got a Caterpie and.
This ain't much to beat. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna beat me in that part.
Oh yeah. Well, you said you weren't gonna guess.
Yeah, well, that's why you're gonna beat me. There he is. They're two big boys. Feeling really
14.
for 5
14
insane.
for 6 packs.
That's definitely a record.
Do you want to take over
I don't
that?
know.
Yeah, I can move around over here so we can do it from this angle. He's just gonna
Just
rip them right through. Now we get to the fastest part of this video.
Yep.
If he can figure out how to open the packs.
Let's see. Not always gonna happen right. Alright, let's get this out of the way.
There we go. PM4. Should make you try and say what their names are.
Would be
Mhm.
Hell Knight.
Yeah, I know.
Even
Exactly.
for me.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Charizard EX.
We'll take that.
Nice. Alright, he's gonna put it in the sleeve.
Oh crap, yeah. Get this big around just on the-
We can put it up there. There's y'all Cody card. And pour for tacos.
Weedle, Zubat, Golding, Weeping Bell, Hitmonlee, I think, War
Mhm.
Turtle, Hypno, Pidgeot, Falcon.
Elkins.
I don't know. Ekans, I don't know. Another Scalborn Swirl.
Yay! Another water energy. And what was this Pokemon?
It's a plant.
Oh,
French.
fancy.
It's French. His is a French one. Everybody else is Vaporeon. His is Vaporeon. Alright. there's our code card. PCJ.
Polyworld. This is the best I can do. Kahunas. Oh, no, that's a bar in Elmira.
Kahunas.
Kakuna. Polywag. This is one that screwed me up. I always said Pontia. It's Ponyta, right? I think so. Kabuto. Gloom. Clefable. Marowak. Ditto. Valpoon. Basic. Ditto, that's what I tell my girlfriend when she says I love you. From the movie The Ghost, or Ghost.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Nice.
Yeah, ditto. Alright, ready?
Please 9 weights.
Eevee. Grimer. Weedle. Zubat. Parasite. Cloyster. Giovanni's Charisma. Kakuna again. Grimer. Nido King. And basic with no swirlies.
You're beating me.
Hey.
Yeah.
Rolling in the.
Yeah.
Energy.
Look at that. I had no chance.
Yeah, there's been so many energy cards in these things. It's insane. Like these.
Yeah, that's
lines,
why I pulled 1 out of 6.
Nuts. No, oh, dude, I have a stack in the back. It's like disgusting. They're only $1.99 each, or $1 a piece. Pidgey, Onyx, Dragonair. I'm gonna get something sick in that pack over there, though. Lapras, Graveler, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kabutops. I'm gonna say Djibouti.
Djibouti.
It's a country in Africa, Ethiopia. Or it's the capital of Ethiopia.
Nice. It's odd that you remember that.
Yeah. I took modern Africa.
Modern
I didn't know what I wanted to do in school.
Oh, they can only get half of it. You can't get the TYV.
Right. I always want to say Cubone. Is that right?
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
Cool.
I mean, what else would you...
Cubone.
Cubone?
Yeah.
Cubone.
Caterpie.
Cat pie. I like some of that
Skitter.
cat pie. Skitter.
Ooh, cool.
Oh, really? Again?
Finally.
All right.
I'll just set it up here for now. We
Look at
got
that.
my one.
We got
One
Machoke. Oh, yeah, we got one more.
My-
He's got a bonus one because he's
My
been...
bonus pack. I'm cool.
It's a special one. He's been holding on. He says it's giving him the tingly bits.
Yeah.
So.
Psyduck. Elkland. Cubone. Vulpix. Tenta. Snorlax. Uh-oh. There might be here. Oh,
It was. Look at
another
that. He got a... It was a hollow steel energy.
Yep. Alright, now. That was a little disappointing, but
Well, at least you were holding on to it. You gave it all the steel energy you could.
I did.
All right.
Which
All
one
right.
don't you have? I want to keep this one for sure.
All right. And we'll work on it here. That's the best. That's better than last time.
Yep.
All right. Like I said, stop in here. He's got plenty of stuff to pick up. Lots of Japanese. And a lot of assortment of older and newer stuff. And lots of comics, if you also would like some comics.